Happy Wednesday, seniors. We are going to do a getting to know you activity today where you're also going to get some practice thinking about some fun outside of the box college essay prompts. And so what we're going to do is use a Schoology discussion board to post some of our responses to these prompts and then to respond to some of our peers. So you have 6 different out-of-the-box prompts. These are from the University of Chicago. I want you to look through these and I want you to brainstorm ideas of how you might respond. Ultimately, I want you to pick one of these fun out-of-the-box prompts and post a 3 to 5 sentence response on the Schoology discussion board. I also want you to respond to at least 2 other students' posts. This will be a way for us to get to know some of our classmates in a virtual setting, and a way for you to get to know your teacher, because you're going to see first on the discussion board my response to one of these prompts. I look forward to getting to know each of you. Please reach out if you have any questions. Have a great Wednesday.